It's like snowing. You guys see it?
Whoa. Let's make a stuffed animal, Ben.
Snowing in July. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Sunday in Vancouver. We're gonna head off on the south side of Vancouver. We're gonna head off to Richmond. Let's go for a bike ride. To all my American friends, I'd like to say happy 4th of July, and for all Canadians, happy Canada Day. So we're gonna take some bridge that takes us from Vancouver to Richmond. We have to go over the water. We haven't taken this bike route before. We're gonna check it out today. With this I-8. A chick driving it. So we're right by the Angara College. It's a local community college in Vancouver on the west side. I went here before. Funny story is I went here not for school. I went here to try to meet girls. I failed all my classes. And that was it. Then I took auto body. Richmond, that's where our airplanes land. That's where our airport is in Richmond. So there'll be a lot of planes there. Richmond is mostly an Asian population. They like the name because Richmond, it sounds like rich man. So a lot of people like to live there, I think, or is that rumor? I don't know, whatever. Look at this bike path, crazy guys. Check it out. It's pretty exciting. I haven't been on this before. Look at these poor shops, gotta pedal. Poor sucker. Around the corner, electric power. Look at this bridge, it's crazy. Crazy bridge. This is Fraser River here, crossing the Fraser River. This guy's ripping on his boat. We gotta get our boat on the road too. Thank you. One more view of the place. Everyone's got their bikes out today. This is the bike city. Everyone's got a bike in Vancouver. Oh, look at the airplane landing right there. Look at that view. Lots of planes here. You see lots of planes. 2 seconds we're in Richmond. That'll take us forever in the car. Sounds like a roller coaster, the SkyTrain. Right there it is on the left. SkyTrain taking off. Okay. We're in Richmond. That was so quick. That was crazy quick. So in Richmond, there'll be a lot of Asian people. Pre-warn you. A lot of shitty drivers also. Notorious, known for a shitty driver. Plane coming in for landing. Looks like another Air Canada, I think. Air Canada. Haven't been on an airplane for a while. I need to go on vacation. Hey, look at this little Honda SIR. I got one too, as you guys know. I have an SIR also, a silver one. Mine's modded. Oh, look at this Beamer. Look at that, guys. Nice. Nice MR2. Oh, lots of rides here. What's going on here? Look at this thing on the left. The bike on the left. Fucking got all sorts of rides in Richmond. The matching boat. Nice Beamer Z3. Clean. Nice clean 300 ZX. Some rims on it, like 20-inch rims. You guys don't get a chance to see Vancouver. There's a free tour of Vancouver right here. Just watch YouTube. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you enjoy this video. Subscribe. We got lots of vlogs coming. When shop's open, we got lots of shop vlogs coming. So make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe. So we're gonna go over the bridge over there ahead of us. That's a Knight Street Bridge. Oh, on the right over here, this is where they usually hold the Chinese night market. But obviously this year is cancelled. They have lots of great food here. Always come here stoned and munch out. They did a car show here one year, and my car was here. Look at this camper. This guy's camping out here. That kind of flag seen many years. Solar panels, got free power here. Chilling. Give it a little shot. Yep. Crystal, get in there. Get both of you guys. Yeah, I see it. Smells good right here. Smells like bakery, right? Do a quick check on my battery. Wow, got lots of battery still full. More campers. Everyone feels chill here. You don't have to pay property tax. Just buy a camper, get some solar panels, find somewhere to park, and you're chilling. You're good to go. Can I see all these fucking RV guys? They didn't pay no property tax. More campers. Camp City. Look at this, got a mural on this thing. Homemade mural. Plugging it. Coca-Cola on the side on the right. So we're about to enter the 9th Street Bridge. And like I said, this is one of 3 bridges that connect Richmond to Vancouver. So you live closer to East Van, this is the bridge you go to. The other 2 bridges are more on the west side of Vancouver. So you enter downtown, quicker to get downtown the other 2 bridges. First time on this bridge this year. So we're heading north. You can see the mountains ahead of us. Get a little shot of the Fraser River for you guys. A little shot on the west side. So lots of transport trucks come this route to the ports. It goes straight to the ports. So we could do a little crossing here, make sure no one hits us. Here's a wrecker, looks like a junkyard, a whole bunch of cars in here. Look at the Red Bull car. Someone rode off a Red Bull car. A little shot of Red Bull car, someone wrote that off. I wonder what happened there. Hello, wheel repair. Shout out to Dan Tran. I see you, Dan. I see you. If you're in Vancouver area, contact Dan Tran, alloy wheel repair specialist. Good guy. They're mobile. They come to you also. I used to work for them. The bike path continues. We're in Vancouver, guys. Back in Vancouver, we're gonna cruise the Marine Drive. Another bike path I hasn't been on for a while. So everything's the first this year. Brand new fresh vlogs, season 2. So the reason we do these vlogs is to show you, if you're in the Vancouver area, how durable our bikes are. You can actually see how far we go, how many kilometers, blah, blah, blah. Everyone asks questions. So we'll just show you. Yeah, currently I still have full power. I checked my battery, I still have a lot full power, but probably about 80% right now, I guess. Also the vlog shows you guys my city. So for you guys that can't come to Vancouver and want to experience it, just watch the YouTube vlogs. We'll be your tour guide. Tour guide Benny. Found another entrance back to the bike path. This is like the Marine Drive seawall. Fraser River on the right. So look, people fishing here. I think that fish here, I think you get actual fish that you can eat. I don't want to eat the fish here. Fucking the water looks gross. Whatever floats your boat. Everyone's out today barbecue. Here's my Romer's Burgers. Place with good, excellent burgers. Patio season. Break some nets here. So we're near the border of Burnaby, almost border of Burnaby and Vancouver. some condos. Damn. Fluff, it's like snowing. You guys see it?
Whoa. Let's make a stuffed animal, Ben.
Snowing in July.
We could stuff one of the bikes.
Holy fuck, it's
One
crazy.
lucky
It
customer.
looks like a snow globe. Looks like a snow globe in July, summer version.
One lucky customer will get a bike full of fluff.
Fluff. Look at that fluff.
Holy crap.
Crazy fluff.
Fluff on fluff.
Fluff City. This pollen shit. Oh, magic.
Vanish.
It's like magic. Do this one here. This one.
God.
Damn. If you guys are bored, nothing to do, just fucking look for some pollen and light up. Amusement for 10 minutes. Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.